Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Empresa Elementary School, home of the Knights in Oceanside, California. Part of the Vista Unified School District. Just got done sharing my heart with the AM/PM students and staff, the after-school program, right here in the NPR. The main focus for today was a brand new topic on citizenship. And we talked about the sub-theme being not just here at school, but at our home and in our community, wherever we go, right? Whoever we interact with, we have the opportunity to be a great citizen. And we started to brainstorm how to be a good citizen, had some great answers, helping our earth, helping others, just being a friend to someone, right? And it's really cool because there were so many pin drop moments for today's assembly, my first visit this school year here, and the students did respond. You know, you could feel the heart moments, the heart vibes, and that's really where it starts, right? Citizenship, respect, kindness, not just for ourselves, but for others too. And it comes down to if we just decide to give the effort, right? And give just a little bit of time. Sometimes just a small amount of time, the most precious gift out there, something you can never get back, right? Can maybe be the difference in someone's life and maybe change a heart forever, right? And so when we kind of come from that mentality, you know, we always have the opportunities daily that, you know, we can either seek out or they just come to us, right? The chance to help a fellow human being, right? Then we have this ability, if we choose to hopefully go and do this, right? And these little acts of kindness, these little acts of love are how we start to change this world. And what's so cool, you know, I mean, is that this concept of time, we always have the option to give it or not, right? Some people say, well, you know, I don't have time or can't do this, I don't have enough time. But if something's a priority to you, if somebody's important enough to you, if a situation's important enough to you, yes, of course, you can go and make the extra effort and go and carve out some time to go and assist that person. And, you know, whether it's helping a parent with a chore at home or a student with a math problem here at school, or going to volunteer in the community and doing a service project. You know, it doesn't matter what we do as long as we're doing positive things for this planet to try to make it a better place, right? And when you give, yeah, you receive a lot more too. It feels good to give, you know, to be those 100% friends, to include everyone, to show compassion, empathy, but also it's seeing the worth in everyone around us too, right? That's part of being an amazing citizen as well, is that, you know, you see the value in yourself, but also in others. And that ties into what I bring up in every assembly because it's so important to me. And that's the idea that we are all miracles, right? Trace one of my M's here. It's on the front of my shirt for this program. And that M with the lines on our hand, have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, then we can go be that light to someone else's heart, right? To be that love to their heart, to be that peace, that much needed peace that this world desperately needs a lot more of, right? A lot more kindness. And, you know, that's how we start to change this world. You know, it's not some big thing or a big dream or, you know, you have to do something major. It can just be something small, you know, and then maybe that has the ripple effect possibility to go and touch someone else's heart and have them want to go and be the change and lead the change themselves. But anyways, just another amazing day here. Thank you so much for touching my heart. It's beautiful. And I'll be back 2 more times this school year. Until then, though, I want to hear some great reports about how you're all being incredible citizens. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.